Welcome to the Farm Estate in Tewksbury, New Jersey. This area is the historical section of Oldwick. The farm estate consists of approximately 22 acres. You can still build a structure or a home of over 10,000 square feet. How about an infinity pool in front overlooking this beautiful panoramic view? The crop grown this year was soy. The owner has someone else farm the land. The crops vary. Only organic fertilizers are used. You don't have to farm at all if you don't want to. There are cattle, bison, known as buffalo, emu, ostriches, and of course horses, raised in the area. There was thought that a vineyard could be put here also. The grapevines are usually put on the side of a mountain, and this acreage meets that criteria with its southern exposure. The outside walls of the farm structures are of cedar barn siding and stone. The farmhouse itself is cedar and stucco siding. The roofing is new and some of the overhangs are copper, along with the leaders and gutters. No thought was too small to renovate this farm into a magnificent estate. A variety of trees and shrubs were professionally landscaped in this restoration. The filming of this farm was done just at the end of autumn, while some of the trees still had their leaves. When the snow comes, it reminds you of an old Currier and Ives print. It is so breathtaking. Right now, you are looking at the carriage house totally taken apart and restructured again. The walls are of fieldstone from the area and from the farm itself. They are all newly put on this lovely carriage house. Inside this newly restructured carriage house is one master bedroom and bath. But there's room for 2 more bedrooms on the first floor, where it is now a complete wardrobe room filled with clothing. There is also room to expand this existing carriage house. The new heat in the carriage house is radiant hot water heat under the floor, which sends warmth upwards. This is the best kind of heat around. Central air is also provided here. Custom cherry wainscoting to match the cherry cabinets in the kitchen. Custom trim to include granite windowsills in the kitchen. Only granite is used throughout the kitchens and bathrooms in both homes. All custom-made poplar doors and trim. The master bedroom has a special custom-made wooden floor made at an actual local wood mill. Welcome to the farmhouse. Totally gutted inside, the kitchen cabinets are maple with granite counters. All new appliances, all new walls, all new electric and heat, which is steam. There's a wood-burning stove, and this keeps you snuggled and warm in the winter. There are 2 sun porches, which are bright and gather light on each side. It is a very bright and sunny house with a wonderful southern exposure. The floors in this lower part of the barn were jackhammered out in order to accommodate horses, since its prior use was for dairy cows with much shorter legs. Now there is more height so you can put in horse stalls. This is the barn, built in the 1700s, probably as old as the town, which dates 1750. This is George Washington time. How amazing! This barn could be made into a fabulous house, or a recording studio, maybe an entertainment area, or a gathering space for your family. Every piece of this barn was taken apart and put back together to make it more sound. This home has room for 10 cars. The garage doors were newly installed. Most are solid cedar. 2 are regular garage doors. All doors are remotely controlled, and 2 of the garages are heated and finished inside for your most pristine cars. Thank you for taking this guided tour of the farm estate, a historical farm in the Oldwick section of Tewksbury, New Jersey.